In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D line chart in Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional chart that compares trends over time or categories with a bit of 3D flair, all using the built-in tools in Excel. Before we start clicking, make sure your data is organized in a simple table. Put your category labels, like months or quarters, in the first row or first column, and include clear headers for each series. Excel uses those headers for the legend, so selecting them with your data helps everything label correctly. Avoid blank rows or columns inside the range, so Excel can recognize the entire set at once. Begin by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Click and drag across the full range, including the headers. If your table is neatly arranged, you can also click any cell inside it and press Ctrl+A to grab the whole block. A quick check. Ensure all the categories and series you want in the chart are inside the highlighted area and that you've got no stray totals or notes selected that you don't want plotted. With the data selected, go to the ribbon and choose the Insert tab. This is where all chart options live. If your Excel window is narrow, some labels may be abbreviated, but you're looking for the Chart section. Everything we need is right there. Next, click the Line Chart button. Depending on your version, it may be called Insert Line or Area Chart. Hovering over it will show you several styles. If you only see icons, look for the one that shows lines moving across a horizontal axis. Don't pick the 2D options if you specifically want that 3D look. Now choose the 3D line option. Excel will immediately drop a chart onto your sheet based on your highlighted data. You should see your categories running along the horizontal axis and one line per series, with the legend using your header names. If the lines don't look right, maybe they're not grouped the way you expected, it usually means Excel guessed the series orientation differently than you intended. Including proper headers usually fixes this, and you can always adjust the orientation later from the chart tools if needed. A quick note on interpretation. A 3D line chart adds depth visually, but it doesn't create a third data dimension. It's mainly a stylistic perspective. Keep your focus on the direction and spacing of the lines to compare trends, and try to avoid clutter so the view remains readable. You can resize or move the chart by dragging its edges and apply a style or color theme from the chart design options to match your report. That's it. You've created a 3D line chart in Excel, ready to present your data with clarity and impact.